wasp just flew round my head.
Hi everyone, welcome to another video. We're continuing the theme of cleaning your car for the winter now. We'll come to the wheels. So we've got a few products in front of us, including nice soapy water, to see what sort of effect they get on some dirty wheels.
The products which we're using in this video are a range of things that you can find in Halfords, and also more specialist products which are a bit harder to get hold of. As a benchmark for the test in this video, we're going to be using soapy water, which you can obviously make in your house with a bit of fairy liquid. The products which we're going to be testing today are the Autoglim Clean Wheels. The second store-bought product is the Power Maxed Alloy Wheel Cleaner. And the third and final product we're going to be testing in this video is the MK Secret Sauce, which is effectively an industrial cleaner which can be used on pavements, but it also says that it can be used on alloy wheels on the back of the bottle. Not the back of this bottle, that's a very makeshift label.
So we're going to start off with warm soapy water and use a brush just to get it on and see what sort of outcome that has. So that is washing up liquid and elbow grease. We'll give that a couple of minutes and then we'll wash it off.
A few moments later.
Right, it's been 2 minutes, let's give it a quick spray. Well, I'm no valeter, that's not great. No, I'm not a fan of that. Okay, Autoglim next. Spray on, 2 minutes again. So clearly the presence of chemicals works better. It already looks much better, but we'll see what happens when we wash it off. It's clear to see it's so much better already. I think so far that's a winner. On to the next one.
Just so you can see the blank canvas which these products are having to work on. Look at the state of these wheels.
We've got Power Max valeting spray this time. See what happens. Well, this product says just to leave it, but I think it would be a fair test if we did, so we'll do the same treatment as we've done for everything else. Scrub!
As you can see from the discoloured foam on the wheel, it hasn't done an awful job at lifting the dirt, considering it is more of a budget option in comparison to the Autoglim.
It's been on 2 minutes, let's give this another spray. I mean, other than the condition of the alloys themselves, it's done quite a nice job. Though I would still say the Autoglim's done a better job so far. On to the next one. This is a little bit more of a hardcore product. It's not really something you should use continuously on your wheels, but it's almost like a pure unwatered down version of what's in the other products. We're not going to leave it on for 2 minutes, however we're just going to see what sort of the raw materials do.
Whilst we're waiting on the old MK special sauce to dry off, let's take a walk around the car and compare the results.
Well, this was the soapy water. It's quite clear to see that a lack of chemicals has really not done the job. In a pinch, maybe all right. Not what you'd want to go for. So this was the Auto Glim. It's done actually quite a nice job. Got off a lot of the brake dust. Yeah. So far, my favourite. Okay, so this is the Power Max one. It's not done anywhere near as good as the rest of the products so far. I suppose it's actually on par with the Fairy Liquid. Not so good. Not so good at all. Okay, so this one was the MK Special Secret Sauce. Bit of an unfair test really, but it does show how well the products work. Just the raw materials have got off all the brake dust. Done quite a nice job.
After looking over the results, it's clear to see that the industrial cleaner and the Auto Glim were much more effective than the other products. Let's put them side by side and see which one comes out on top.
Okay, so that was a little bit of an unfair test using some lightly curbed wheels. So I'm going to use it as an excuse to clean my own. So we're going to use the two products we got against each other now, which is the raw materials and then the Auto Glim. See what happens. Auto Glim, let's give it a go. Okay, so while that's doing its thing, we'll quickly go in with the secret sauce. Hello.
Eventually.
Well, that's done a really good job, especially that most of the brake dust is obviously from the front wheel, and that's done a lovely job. I'm a fan of that stuff actually. I think that's a clear winner so far. Let's have a look at the rear. Right, yeah, okay, it is very, very good. It's the raw material, it's not safe for bodywork, it is a very caustic substance, but it does the job. Would I use it? No. No, I really probably wouldn't. No, would I use the Auto Glim? So, okay, so I think that's a clear win for the Auto Glim. It's all round really good for its application. It's safe on bodywork. It's easily accessible from Halfords or anywhere like that as well. I think that's showing up quite nicely the different products you can use and the best one. Now I think it's time to clean the car. Yeah.